Plant FAQs. Hoya Surigaoensis. Hoya Surigaoensis. Unveiling the beauty and care of this Philippine gem. Hi everyone, Furbu here. Today, I want to delve into the world of Hoyas and introduce you to a captivating climber, the Hoya Surigaoensis. This Philippine native has stolen the hearts of many plant enthusiasts with its stunning foliage and fragrant blooms. Whether you're a seasoned Hoya collector or a curious newbie, this FAQ will equip you with the knowledge to cultivate a thriving Hoya Surigaoensis. See more 566 species in genus Hoya at monsteraholic.com. What makes Hoya Surigaoensis special? The Hoya Surigaoensis is an epiphytic vine, meaning it thrives by clinging to other plants or structures for support. Its charm lies in its elegant foliage. The leaves are typically ovate, showcasing a rich green hue. When exposed to bright indirect light, they can develop a captivating reddish tinge, adding a pop of color to your indoor space. Showy blooms. Patience is rewarded with clusters of star-shaped flowers. These blooms boast a captivating contrast between their buttery yellow corollas with burgundy tips and contrasting white coronas. The sweet, subtle fragrance of coconut adds another layer to the sensory experience. Beyond aesthetics, Hoya Surigaoensis is known for its low-maintenance nature. It's a forgiving plant that thrives with proper care, making it ideal for busy plant parents. Hoya Surigaoensis versus Hoya carnosa, a friendly feud. Both Hoya Surigaoensis and Hoya carnosa, commonly known as the wax plant, are beloved members of the Hoya family. Here's a quick breakdown to help you differentiate. Leaves. Hoya carnosa boasts plump, fleshy leaves, whereas Hoya Surigaoensis has thinner, ovate leaves. Flowers. Hoya carnosa features clusters of pink or white flowers with a red center. Hoya Surigaoensis, on the other hand, displays unique bicolored flowers with a coconut fragrance. Growth habit. Both varieties are climbers, but Hoya Surigaoensis might grow slightly slower than Hoya carnosa. Ultimately, the choice between these two Hoyas boils down to personal preference. If you seek a fast-growing climber with classic, waxy foliage, Hoya carnosa might be your champion. But if you crave unique blooms with a touch of exotic flair, Hoya Surigaoensis is the undisputed winner. How to care for Hoya Surigaoensis happiness. Light. Your Hoya Surigaoensis thrives in bright, indirect light. South-facing windows with sheer curtains or an east-facing window with unobstructed sunlight are perfect spots. Avoid harsh direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Water. Like most Hoyas, Hoya Surigaoensis prefers the soak and dry method. Allow the potting mix to dry completely between waterings. Signs of thirst include wilting leaves and shriveled stems. Soil. A well-draining potting mix is crucial. Opt for a succulent or orchid mix, or create your own by combining potting soil with perlite or orchid bark for optimal drainage. Humidity. While Hoya Surigaoensis tolerates average household humidity, it flourishes in a more humid environment. Grouping your plants together or using a pebble tray with water can create a microclimate of increased humidity. Fertilizer. A balanced fertilizer diluted to half strength can be applied during the growing season, spring and summer, to encourage blooming. However, fertilizing is not mandatory for healthy growth. Support. Provide your Hoya Surigaoensis with a moss pole, trellis, or another support structure for it to climb and showcase its cascading beauty. Troubleshooting common Hoya Surigaoensis issues. Yellowing leaves. This can be caused by overwatering, underwatering, or lack of light. Check your watering routine and ensure proper drainage. If necessary, adjust the light conditions. No blooms. The most common culprit is insufficient light. Ensure your Hoya Surigaoensis receives enough bright, indirect light to trigger flower production. Pests and diseases. Mealybugs and aphids are occasional visitors. Thankfully, insecticidal soap or neem oil spray can effectively combat these pests. Fungal diseases due to overwatering can be prevented with proper drainage and avoiding wet leaves. Remember, consistent care and a watchful eye will keep your Hoya Surigaoensis thriving for years to come. The joy of owning a Hoya Surigaoensis. With its captivating foliage, fragrant blooms, and low-maintenance nature, the Hoya Surigaoensis is a true gem for any plant enthusiast. By following these simple tips, you can cultivate a healthy specimen that will grace your home for years to come, rewarding you with its unique beauty and resilience. The sense of accomplishment when your Hoya Surigaoensis blooms for the first time, filling the air with its subtle coconut fragrance, is truly special. So, why not embark on this botanical adventure and add a touch of the Philippines to your indoor oasis?